With eIMMIGRATION, you can have an all-in-one #1 rated practice software that allows you to easily prepare an O-1 visa for your clients. From gathering information of your client, to form preparation, to setting up reminders, and much more. Because of our high rating, Capterra and G2 awarded us with distinguished banners being industry leaders. First, the initial consultation with your client. With eIMMIGRATION, you have the ability to create a client profile with your client's information for both the foreign national and the business that is petitioning for them. When setting up these profiles, you will see that everything is divided into right-hand tabs, taking you to a different section of the client profile to enter information such as their general info, their history of employment, their address, marriage history, and much more. For employer profiles, you can enter business information, branch addresses, link signatories, and much more. These profiles can be created by you, or you can send a questionnaire to your clients. The software comes included with stock questionnaires, allowing you to ask for different things needed by the client to fill out their form. Or you can even build a custom intake form with specific questions. These questionnaires can be sent to a client using a secure client portal, or you can even send them in a passwordless link, which can be emailed or texted. These questionnaires will be submitted back to you and once accepted, generate their client profile with information. Besides inputting information on their profile, you can also set reminders for yourself pertaining to the client, you can jot down notes in the log section, and you can even upload documents in their profiles. Once the profiles are set and ready, you can now go in and start their O-1 visa case. When creating a case, you can select the type of case you're trying to do, link the foreign national and the employer to the case, select which forms you want to work on, and proceed to finalize creating the case. Once the case has been created, you can now go into a form, and you will see that the client information has populated to the form. These forms use our own forms technology, which means a PDF editor is not needed. Using our technology, you can override forms, add new text fields, add sticky notes, and even add e-signatures. Also, because it is our own forms technology, you can share an editable version of the form to the client, allowing them to edit fields from inside a secure client portal. Please note that although we do provide e-signature capabilities, you need to verify with USCIS and other entities you are filing your cases with to make sure they do accept an e-signature on the forms that are being filed. Besides the form preparation, our cases come preloaded with document checklists and process steps to assist in creating these cases. You can then upload documents needed to supplement their forms, and once finished, use the document assembly to combine all forms and documents into one PDF to submit them. Whenever you receive a USCIS receipt, you can enter the information in their case profile and be able to check the status of that receipt, as well as be notified when your client becomes current according to the processing times table from the USCIS. If receiving other documents like a I-797 or even their visa, you can input that information in the client's profile, and in doing so, have the software track the expiration dates using our tickler. The tickler is a dashboard that shows you all expiration dates and reminder dates in one central location. By tracking these dates, you can inform clients about upcoming expirations and renewals and begin preparing your next case. Besides the client and case preparation, you can e-file some of the O-1 visa forms directly onto the USCIS site, like the G28 form and the DS-160 in the Department of State website. In doing so, you can prepare forms on eIMMIGRATION and transfer the contents to those sites, avoiding having to retype that information directly. eIMMIGRATION offers e-filing for all available online USCIS forms, making it the industry leader in available e-filable forms for the USCIS, Department of State, and Department of Labor. Other things you can do is run custom reports, create invoices and handle payments, add appointments and manage calendaring, send SMS messages, seamlessly transfer important email content, modify default settings in the admin area, and much more. eIMMIGRATION makes it easy to not only dive in and efficiently handle an O-1 case, but also take control of all your practice needs from one platform while building trust with your clients. If you're interested, please contact our sales team at 1-800-617-4202 or email us at sales@cerenade.com. Thank you for watching.